Hello friends, today we have an unusual format. We won't be turning bolts on the BMW X5 today. Instead, we are going to build a tool that will save you hundreds of dollars on diagnostics. Every owner of an older car, whether it is an N57 diesel or a petrol engine, faces issues like rough idling, power loss, or boost leak errors. In 90% of cases, the culprit is unmeasured air, a vacuum leak. Professional smoke machines are expensive, but essentially, it is just a can with smoke. Today, I will show you how to build a reliable device using components from AliExpress with your own hands. I won't speed up the process too much, so you can see all the assembly nuances. Let's look at the components. I prepared a set of hose adapters and 2 tire valves. I took the hose from a brake bleeding kit. It has very soft rubber that fits perfectly onto the adapters. let's do the measurements. Measuring the valve stem with calipers. We get 15 millimeters. My largest drill bit is only 10 millimeters, which is too small. But I have a countersink bit. Its diameter is 12.5 millimeters. That's enough. Since the valve is rubber and the container is plastic, it will fit very tightly and airtight. Drill 2 holes opposite each other with the 10 millimeter bit. Then, take the countersink and enlarge them to the required 12.5 millimeters. The edges are rough, so take a knife and carefully clean the holes of burrs after drilling. To make the valve go in easier, lubricate the seat. The type of grease doesn't matter. I used silicone grease since I had it handy. Apply force and insert the valve into the container until it locks. Repeat the same with the second hole. Let's test fit the hose from the universal adapter. Technically it fits, but the hose is a bit short. I need some extra length for comfortable work. I'm selecting the right adapters from the set to securely connect and extend the line between the valve and the adapter. Done. Stop. An important point I almost forgot. You must remove the valve core from one of the valves. If left in, the smoke simply won't exit the container. We leave the core in the second valve, the pump will connect there, and it needs to hold pressure. Let's try to assemble everything. I'm trying to close the container, but the lid latches are hitting the installed valves. No problem. Take a knife and simply cut off the interfering plastic tabs. Now the lid closes tightly and securely. Our generator is ready for the first test. Let's move outside for testing. Connect the battery pump to the valve. Important, set the pressure to exactly 1 atmosphere, or 1 bar. No need to set it higher. This pressure is more than enough for testing and is safe for the engine seals. already lit the cigarette off camera? Any kind will do. Insert it into the valve. See, it fits very tightly. Close the container and turn on the compressor. Look, the generator immediately starts producing excellent, thick smoke. The system works perfectly. The assembly is complete. In the next video, I will connect this generator to my BMW engine, and we will check if I have any air leaks. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe to the channel. There are many interesting videos ahead. See you!